Imagine this. A user logs into your website. Now every time they visit a protected page like dashboard or profile, the server must know, is this user authenticated or not? In old applications, this was done using sessions stored on the server. But in modern MERN applications, we use something called JWT, JSON Web Token. JWT allows the server to stay stateless. That means the server does not store any session. Instead, the client carries proof of authentication in the form of a token. Before coding, understand the full flow. User sends email and password to server. Server verifies user from MongoDB. Server creates a JWT token. Token is sent back to client. Client stores token. Client sends token in headers for protected routes. Middleware verifies the token if valid access granted. This is the entire JWT lifecycle. In our Express app, first we create a user model with email and password. Never store plain passwords. Always hash them. Now comes the magic part. The login route. What is happening here? Payload user ID secret key only server knows expiry security. This token is like a digital signature that proves the user is verified. After creating token, we send it in response. From now on, client does not send email/password again. Only this token. Now we create a middleware called Auth middleware. If token is invalid, request is rejected. If valid, user enters the protected route. This is the heart of authentication. Now we create a route like /dashboard. You'll notice we never check password here. Only token, because token already proves identity. On React side, when user logs in, save token in local storage for every API request, send, authorization, bearer token. This is how frontend and backend talk securely. If token expires after 1 hour, user must log in again. That's security. No server session storage. Scalable works perfectly with APIs used in real production apps. This is why almost every MERN app uses JWT authentication. So now, when you see a login system in any MERN project, you won't just see a form. You'll understand the entire flow from login to token to middleware to protected routes. This is not just coding. This is understanding how modern authentication works. If you found this helpful, you're now one step closer to thinking like a backend engineer, not just a developer.